Wahala for who dey form big man for learning. Some people pride don high pass their sense of reasoning. Small thing wey dem suppose learn, dem go bone face like say na insult to ask question. Dem no wan learn because dem think say dem pass the person wey suppose teach dem. My brother man and sister woman, nobody sabi everything. Even the person wey dey teach you dey learn from another person. No let pride humble you later, wey humility for don help you earlier. Na who wan grow dey always ready to learn. My brother man and sister woman, follow me for Truetruetalk. I salute una. Una doh.